finally happened. Lost my first drone, and happens to be the most expensive drone I've ever built. So, yeah, it was the Vapor D5 on its second flight ever. And I have the O4 Pro on it. I have the GPS Mini, the H743 FC from Flywoo, and also just a bunch of love that I put into the build, because I've finally reached a state where I could actually build something kind of competent, but I guess not in the end, because something went wrong. Like when I was flying, all of a sudden I've just lost both signal for VTX and the ELRS receiver signal. So obviously something catastrophic went wrong, lost signal. Don't know if it's from interference or my shoddy build. Most likely the build. Maybe I've caused some kind of like cross interference between the VTX and the ELRS or something, so it made it have like weak signal. And I was trying to follow my friend as he's driving, because we were just trying to do something fun, and the sudden signal loss, I've turned around, thought that turning around and flying high and back to myself would help, but apparently not. The signal just got degraded even further. It just so happens though that forest area is actually kind of on a like cliff hill side, so made it pretty much impossible to retrieve. We can even hear the drone suffering, but it can't take off because it must be like stuck in like debris and stuff, and maybe under a bush in moss. I'm not really sure. The last video footage of the drone is pretty grim, and that's it. I took an L today, so yeah, I'm thinking 5-inch is probably not for me. I think it's too much risk to put onto the drone I'm just stupid. Yeah, I should have when I first saw it die, instead of turning around, I should have just like said, F it, let's just land, and then we'll try to pick it up wherever it was at the time, because at least I would have known where it was and I was still in control. But instead I thought I could get better signal by flying high and turning around, so that didn't do it. It was something else. So now I've learned my lesson. It's an expensive lesson, and I guess it kind of hurts, but I deserved it. I made the wrong choices. So I think going forward, might be a while before I decide to build something large again, because I find that even then, why I had to go out to the forest to begin with is just because I can't really find areas to fly, around the area that I live. So yeah, that is that. I don't have anything else to say. I guess I'll just still taking in what it actually means to lose that drone, but I honestly feel a little bit relieved, because it was kind of just sitting there in a box, all the parts. I didn't want to build it. Even the O4 Pro, I never used it because it was just too much drone, too much camera for me, and I thought something like this would happen, and maybe I manifested it, but it happened. So now I don't have to deal with it anymore, and now I can just get back to my tiny whoops and the Seeker 3, which is a blast with analog, and just fly and break drones that I don't have to worry about an expensive price tag. So yeah, that's that. Learn from me, laugh at me, whatever you need to do. All right, later folks.